Hey everyone, thank you for watching the video today. I am going to be making a shrimp boil. This will be my first time making a shrimp boil. I had an actual taste of it back in San Antonio when I visited in February, and so I've been kind of wanting to recreate that taste that I had. I thought it was phenomenal. But with the shutdown due to the pandemic and us not being able to go and venture off to different restaurants, my choices have been limited. I'm kind of tired of cooking spaghetti, tacos, and chicken. So I want to try a shrimp boil. So I'm going to show you the ingredients that I'm using, and we'll go from there. I'm going to start by cutting my oven on to 385. You may be wondering what ingredients are in a shrimp boil. Well, first, you must have some fresh shrimp. These are extra large shrimp. Some corn on the cob, some lemon, garlic, green onion, some Cajun style sausage, a stick of butter, some small potatoes. These are assorted potatoes for the color. Any kind of Cajun style seasoning. I'm using Old Bay seasoning in this dish. And then any kind of seasoning you like. I'm using Slap Your Mama for the spice. And once I mix all of my ingredients together, I will wrap them in Reynolds Wrap foil. I need a big pot to cook my corn and my potatoes in. Here are the ingredients for you to capture. First, I'm going to start off with cutting my potatoes. I'm going to cut these small potatoes into quarters. I'm going to make sure that I get the potato sizes as close to the same as possible. So when I wrap them in my foil, each of the foil packets will have about the same amount of potatoes, or the same size potatoes. So I'm going to go ahead and finish cutting up all of my potatoes. Love the purple potatoes. It gives great color. I'm going to put my corn and my potatoes into my pot and put them on the stove for about 10 minutes. Now I am going to peel my garlic. I'm going to take 5 cloves out of the garlic. Peel each of my garlic cloves. And then I'm going to put my garlic cloves in this chopper. I love this chopper. It minces the garlic in seconds. Isn't that beautiful? Now I'm going to take my sausage and slice my sausage up. Once I finish slicing, I'm going to put my sausage aside in a bowl until I'm ready to combine it. Next, I'm going to cut my onion, peel back the layers on the green onion. I'm going to cut the white portion first and mix that in with my garlic. And then I'm going to cut the green stem because I'm going to use that as the garnish at the end. Next, I'm going to cut my lemon. And I'm just cutting all of the ends off that I don't want to cook within my foil packet. And once I finish that, I'll set those to the side until I'm ready to use them. Now, I'm going to check on my potatoes and corn. They're ready, so I'm going to drain them. And I'm going to pick out all of my corn and my potatoes and put them in a big bowl. And I'm going to melt my butter in the microwave. It only takes maybe 25 seconds to do. And then I'm going to season my shrimp first. I season my shrimp first because I want to make sure that my shrimp gets its seasoning. And I just kind of eyeball it, make sure that all of the shrimp is covered with both the seasoning salt and the Cajun seasoning. And then I'm going to combine my sausage with my potatoes and corn, drizzle it with half of the butter that I've melted, and then I'm going to put in my garlic and onion, and then the seasoning salt and the Cajun seasoning. And again, just want to make sure that everything is coated with the seasoning salt and the Cajun seasoning. And then I'm going to combine my shrimp with the mixture and season it for the last time just to make sure everything is coated evenly. Now I'm going to take some foil and I'm going to begin to make my packets. 1 ear of corn will go in each packet since I have 6 of them. And then I'll just put some sausage and shrimp within the packet, each of the packets. Squeeze some lemon juice within the packet and seal it up. And I will do that until all of my mixture has been put into the foil. And I'm going to continue to do that until all packets are filled. I'm going to make 6. Once I have them all sealed, I put them on a cooking sheet and then I place in the oven for about 40 minutes. Once they are ready, I'm going to take the remainder of my butter and drizzle it over, squeeze some lemon, and then add my green onion. Now it's time to eat. You want to watch me eat? I'm going to have me some shrimp boil. Let's taste and see. Have my iced lemon water. So let's taste this. Okay. Let's have that shrimp. Delicious. Let's try some of this corn. Okay. Thank you for watching, and I hope that you venture off and try to make a shrimp boil yourself.